In this video, we'll take a look at a very important particle to form passive voices in Mandarin Chinese. Let's first see how it's used in context, and later I'll explain in more detail. 他吃了苹果，苹果被他吃了。爸爸修好了自行车，自行车被爸爸修好了。老师夸奖过你吗？你被老师夸奖过吗？你被夸奖过吗？小偷偷走了钱包，钱包被小偷偷走了，钱包被偷走了。学校邀请了大家，大家都被学校邀请了，大家都被邀请了，但是他没被邀请。被 is the most common way to express passive voice in Mandarin Chinese. It is used to indicate that someone or something is affected by an action or event. The basic format of the bei structure is the recipient of the action, bei, the doer of the action, followed by an action verb, then a complement or other elements. Note that like ba structure, you cannot leave the action verb hanging at the end of a sentence. You must add a verb complement or something that indicates a result or completion of the action. The bei structure shifts emphasis from the doer of the action to the recipient of the action. Let's take a look at the examples one at a time in more detail. 他吃了苹果 He ate the apple. 苹果被他吃了 The apple was eaten by him. When you move the recipient of the action forward and then place bei followed by the doer of the action, you get a bei construction. The recipient of the action, 苹果, was eaten by the doer of the action, 他, in this sentence. Remember, you cannot just leave the action verb hanging at the end of the sentence. 苹果被他吃 sounds very unconventional. In this example, we have the aspect particle 了 at the end to indicate the completion of the action. 爸爸修好了自行车 Dad repaired the bicycle. 自行车被爸爸修好了 The bicycle was repaired well by Dad. In this sentence, the recipient of the action 自行车 was repaired by the doer of the action 爸爸. Once again, since you can't leave the action verb hanging at the end, in this example, you'll have the result complement 好 and the particle 了 to complete the sentence. For more explanation of the result complement, you can check out the link below. 老师夸奖过你吗 Did the teacher compliment you before? 你被老师夸奖过吗 Have you been complimented by a teacher? The recipient of the action 你 was complimented by the doer of the action 老师 in this sentence. Again, you cannot leave the action verb hanging at the end. In this example, you have the aspect particle 过 to indicate past experience. Also note that you may use the aspect particle 了 and 过 to talk about a completed action and a past experience, but the third aspect particle 着 does not go with the bei structure. You may also omit the doer of the action 老师 and just say 你被夸奖过吗 Have you been complimented? 小偷偷走了钱包 A thief stole the wallet. 钱包被小偷偷走了 The wallet was stolen by a thief. The recipient of the action 钱包 was stolen by the doer of the action 小偷. You can also omit the doer 小偷 and just say 钱包被偷走了 if you want. 学校邀请了大家。The school invited everyone. 大家都被学校邀请了。Everyone was invited by the school. The recipient of the action 大家 was invited by the doer of the action 学校。You can also omit the doer 学校 and say 大家都被邀请了 if you want. Also note that modal verbs such as 想、要、能、可以 and adverbs such as 都、常、就、还、已经 are all placed before 被. Just like in this sentence, 都 comes before 被。大家都被邀请了。If you want to negate the sentence, you can add the negation words 不、没 or 没有 before 被。但是他没被邀请。Okay, now let's do some practice. Convert the following sentence into the base structure to say, the milk was drunk by her. You can pause the video and think about it first. Yes, the answer is 牛奶被他喝完了。Rearrange the following words to say, I am touched by his words. Again, you can pause the video and think about it first. Yes, the answer is 我被他的话感动了。This may not seem intuitive, but in this sentence, 他的话, his words, is the doer of the action. Negate the following base sentence to say, this problem was not solved. Again, you can pause the video and think about it first. Yes, the answer is 这个问题没有被解决。You can also say 这个问题没被解决。Okay, this is a summary. You can take a screenshot and crop it out for your future reference. Thanks for watching.